Hey traders, let's talk a bit about currencies. The EURUSD just breached its trend funding level. It's now bullish while GBPUSD remains under pressure. This is the currency market update here at ATFX. Alright, so let's dig in here. So EURUSD, I've been bearish on this one, and the reason for that is we had inverse head and shoulders with the head, left, right shoulder. We breached this and we managed that little part really good. And I actually traded on the back of this move, but not necessarily EURUSD. I shorted gold and made a good profit on that one and managed to get out pretty much around the lows. And then I did actually try to trade a bit of this, but I traded this via the dollar index. But I closed that position out yesterday pretty much a break even when it looked like it was not going to go in the direction I wanted. And this move now, the EURUSD did indeed take out this high, and we're now short-term bullish. We can go a little bit higher, maybe to 118.50. But the trend of funding level is down here right now, and I wouldn't anticipate the market to sort of turn aggressively bullish or bearish, really. It's going to be sluggish, and there's so much resistance. You still have the election coming up. So I do think a bit of a pullback, maybe to 1736 is probably a better idea, looking to buy there, potentially, and then targeting the upside. If you look at something like the GBP versus the USD, the trend here remains bearish for now at least. You can see that we went up so close to the trend of funding level, but didn't trade above it. And if we take out this level, it's quite interesting because you do have a head and shoulders with a head, left, potentially a right shoulder. We can go up to 31, 32 potentially. And at that point, the short-term trend of funding level is going to be this one here. But the thing is this though, when one like GBP is bearish and EURUSD is bullish, you know, we don't really know exactly who's right, but most of the time they should correlate well. So it's a fragmented market. It's a difficult market right now, and I wouldn't really get too excited. I try to avoid when we have these situations. But of course, trade above 130.10, then both EURUSD and GBPUSD are going to be bullish in the short term. Here's the dollar versus the Japanese yen. There's not too much activity here, unfortunately. Not much has happened since September 23rd. So by tomorrow, it's going to be a full 2 weeks with no price action. For now, we continue to be guided by this downtrend, and possibly around 106 and 106.60 people might sell and then try to target the downside again. But I would avoid this one. Aussie dollar versus the USD. Here the trend remains bearish for now. I see no reason to make any changes. The market slid strongly, went up strongly, but we are reacting the way I thought this was going to react, so I remain bearish below this level for now. All right, this is our currency market update. On the first comment for this video, you're going to find a link to our premium trading course, which we do with Investing Cube. You can actually see the first video for free. You just need to register. You get the first video in an email. You'll watch that. It's 45 minutes long. And then if you want to watch the rest, then you can get access to it by having a real account with ATFX. Alternatively, if you don't want to change brokers, then it's also possible to buy it for £799, and then you have lifetime access to it. And you say, why $799? Well, realistically, it could have been higher. It could have been all the money I ever made trading with that system. And also, you can just look at it from this perspective as well. A lot of people, when they start trading, they start trading with maybe $2,000, and some of them are going to lose all of that. So yeah, the price is not too steeply priced, I think. It's probably at a level where most people could have access to it. And you need to look at it like that. A lot of people go into investing with really no experience, no nothing, and then they wonder why they lose money. Here at least you have the option to do something about that. And if you have already done that and want to improve going further, then this could be a good option for you if you want to learn a few trading strategies and learn a little bit how I trade the markets. All right, don't forget to check it out. If you have any questions about this or anything else, you can also put it in the comment section below. Have a great day, guys, and I'll see you guys very soon.